Hello, so I'm using the EXA H16 wireless headset with noise cancellation on it. May kasama siyang PC, adapter, and dongle, and it can be connected to two devices all at once. And I'm gonna show you the system settings on my Chrome browser. I believe this is Chrome. Oh no, this is system settings pala. Let me switch the camera. Here we go. So, hindi na ako gumagamit ng crisp kasi gusto ko siyang matest talaga kung pwede siya by its own. Kasi since the update of Crisp, parang nasa kuweba na yung boses ko. I was using two headphones na okay naman siya before. So, binili ko itong EXA kasi nga may sarili siyang noise cancellation. So, you can choose standard ba siya or voice isolation. So, ngayon, I'm using the voice isolation. Meron akong background noises, ditong soundbar, and then meron din akong, ayan, tawag na ito? Ano tawag dyan? Air cooler. Pinapadinig ko nga sa kasama ko kung okay ba. Sabi niya okay naman daw. So hopefully ito na yung magiging go-to wireless headset ko. Nakakapanibago lang, hindi ko na kailangang kuhuanin pa siya every time na gusto kong tumayo. May aabutin ako or something. So yun, very convenient. Try nyo din.